Hey Rebels, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be filming for you guys again. The tutorial I have cooked up for you today is a Valentine's date night makeup look. If you're watching this, I hope this video serves its purpose. Great vibes, learn a few makeup techniques to add to your Valentine's Day look. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Fresh out of Saks, some Gucci linen. She won't leave a man, 'cause with me. Okay guys, so starting off with a fresh face and my brows already done. To save some time, I'm going to be using my Rose All Day Karity eyeshadow palette. And I'm using the Fun Day Pink shade in the palette. This palette and the Huda Beauty palette I'm using next are my favorites this February. Okay, here's the Huda Beauty palette. And yes, I hit pan already. I told y'all it was my fave. So to deepen this pink we already have on our eye, I'm going to be using Love Bite from this palette and applying it all in the crease area. Remembering to blend it up into the pink so that it looks seamlessly blended. And yeah, by the time you're finished with Love Bite, you should have this flirty purple smoky look going on. Don't worry though, we're about to add a cut crease and make this thing poppin' with our Huda Beauty Matte Metal Melted eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the matte side with the color Wednesday to create the cut crease. Trying to make sure both eyes are as symmetrical as possible before going back in with Love Bite and just blending out the harsh edges of the melted eyeshadow. I'm just going to keep blending this into the crease until I feel like it's blended well enough. Okay guys, so this next part is completely optional, but I'm going to add a little bit more Fun Day from Karity on the outside of Love Bite, just so that the pink is seen a little bit more. Next, I'm going to be using Infatuated, which is a glitter eyeshadow, and I'm using this right in between where the metal shadow and Love Bite meet, I guess. I'm going to do this on both eyes, then lining my bottom lash line with a black eyeshadow. I'm then going to be creating this poppin' wing liner with my Wet n Wild liquid liner. As much as I try to step away from this liner, I just cannot. And it's only $2.99. The tip is super thin and easy to use. Yes, yes, yes. This is one of my faves. And Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara has also been added to my everyday product list. Can anybody say popping 10? Even when I don't wear lashes, I do wear this mascara. Cleaning off any fallout from my shadow with my Neutrogena makeup wipes, then moisturizing with Eucerin. If you have me on Instagram or you've watched any of my other videos, y'all already know how I'm coming. Y'all already know what foundation I'm using. I am using my Lancôme foundation. I never know how to pronounce it. Teint Idole, I think. If not, you guys know which one I'm talking about. And I'm using my Luxie 732 brush, which is an airbrush foundation brush, to beat this foundation into my skin. Next, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, just to highlight certain areas of my face. I did not notice how overboard I went with this concealer until looking back at the video, but please do not be alarmed, my precious babies. We are going to contour this face and get this face together, but first we gotta make sure that our entire face is blended. So yeah, to carve out these cheekbones, snatch this nose, and bring this face back to life, I am going to be using my stick foundation from Radiance in the color Espresso. And just making sure to blend. So next, I'm going to go in with my Sascha Buttercup powder. And this is a loose powder. I like to use this to set my under eye and the bridge of my nose. I decided to apply my lashes off camera and dust off the powder. And now I'm back looking like a human being again. I'm going to use my black Radiance medium to deep contour palette to set my already contoured spots. Not to mention, I am one of Black Radiance's faces for their 2019 campaign. I am super blessed, and I'm definitely still in awe about this. So if you haven't seen pictures or footage from the campaign, I will make sure to add the link in my description to the post on my Instagram so you guys can check me out along with the other girls that were on the campaign. I'm telling y'all, this mascara is everything. This mascara has my bottom lashes looking like falsies all the time. This next palette that I'm using, I haven't used in a very long time, but I decided to bring it out for this video. This is Karruche's collab face palette with colourpop, and they called it the Fem Rose palette. Now, what are we gonna do with these lips? Okay, let's line them with a chestnut brown liner from NYX. Then, taking Provocateur Demi Matte Lippy from Huda Beauty, I'm going to rub that all the way in and then top it off with NYX Intense Butter Gloss Lip Gloss.
So, you guys know no look is complete without highlight.
Starting with my T-zone area, I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose using that same highlighting contour palette from Black Radiance. And I'm also applying some on my chin. Don't mind this little pimple thing I have on my chin right now. And then I'm going to add it to my forehead as well. Okay, now I'm going to be using my Luminous Cosmetics highlight and strobe palette, and I like to just put the highlighter down first and then blend it in with my fan brush. And I'm going to do that on both sides of my face. Yes, this highlight is popping. You see it, y'all see it, you see this highlight? Yep. Yes, a good highlight can have you feeling like queen of the beauty gods. Next, we're gonna go in with our setting spray, and first I used my Lancôme spray, and then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline spray. After spraying my face, I always, no matter what, blend out my setting spray with a brush so that I don't have little droplets of setting spray on my face. I'm going to take off my scarf now and fix my hair up a little bit, and this is the final look. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you guys are as excited as I am for me to be back on YouTube. I promise this is not going to be the last video that you guys see from me. I love you guys. Much love. Many blessings from my end. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Smooches. Love you guys. Bye.
Fresh out of Saks and some Gucci linen. She won't leave a man, cause with me she winning. And my wrist looking like I sell bricks for living.